everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a home-themed mystery bundle, HOM-BU-112. This is my first time ordering a mystery bundle specifically for home items, so I'm interested to see what they have. And our first item out today is a Kate Spade lunch tote. This tote is really cute. It's got a blue background and an all-over poppy print. And I'll just get it out of the packaging so you can see it a little better. So you can see there the poppy print, and it unzips around the top. It's got a cute carrying handle on the top, but it's still narrow enough to fit in your purse or big bag. And it's got insulated inside that reflective lining, and it's got a little side pocket where you can either slip an ice pack or maybe some utensils and condiments. This is great for me because I take meals on the run frequently, so I love to have somewhere cute to stash them. And the next item out we have here is a wine tumbler. Well, my last wine tumbler got a leaky top, so I'm happy to have one to replace it. Let's just take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, this is really cute. It's kind of a brushed rose gold finish. Perfect for rosé all day. I definitely look forward to using this sooner than later. It's got a nice tight seal too. I like that. I'll tuck it back in the box for now. And I'm really happy with that. And our last item out is a large woven cotton throw, or maybe cotton blend. It doesn't have any apparent branding on it, no tags, except for this one that says it's a coffee blanket. Now, I really like the texture of this blanket. It would look really good as either a textural component like on the edge of a bed or maybe thrown over a chair in the corner. That's kind of how I'm styling it in my head. I'll have to find the perfect spot for it, but it's really got a nice cream background with like little speckles of other materials in there and the pretty pink stripes. I won't take it all the way open, but I can tell it's quite large. You could definitely cover your whole body up with it. There's the tag for a little better look. Okay, so we've got the pretty throw, we've got the lunch tote, and we have the wine tumbler. So altogether for $24.99, I feel like this was a pretty decent value. I would definitely try it again. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out my video. If you like this type of video, please like and subscribe. And as always, I hope you have a great rest of the day.